Hey there, chocolate lovers! Have you ever wondered how a cocoa bean turns into that delicious chocolate bar you love? Let's go on a tasty adventure together. First up, cocoa beans. These little beans grow inside big, colourful pods on cocoa trees. Farmers carefully pick the pods and scoop out the beans. At this stage, the beans look nothing like chocolate and actually taste super bitter. Yuck! Next, the beans get dried out in the warm sun. After that, they're roasted just like coffee beans. That's when the magic starts. Can you smell the chocolatey goodness already? Then, the roasted beans are cracked open and the inside part, called nibs, is ground up. This turns into a thick, gooey paste called chocolate liquor. Don't worry, it's not real liquor. This is where chocolate begins to taste, well, like chocolate. Now, time to sweeten things up. Sugar and milk get mixed in and everything is blended together until it's super smooth and creamy. Finally, the chocolate gets poured into molds, cooled down and turned into bars, buttons, or even fun shapes like bunnies and bears. And here comes the best part, tasting. I love seeing kids take that very first bite, with big smiles and maybe a little chocolate on their faces. Now, here's a fun challenge for you and your family. What's your favourite way to enjoy chocolate? Maybe you like chocolate ice cream, gooey brownies, or making your own chocolate shapes at home. Share your favourite chocolate moment in the comments, or challenge your family to a chocolate taste test. Thanks for joining our chocolate adventure. Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more sweet fun.